Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create a stylish header and footer for your WordPress website using Elementor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to customize your site's look and give it that polished, professional feel, all without touching a single line of code. If you've ever wondered how those sleek menus and footers show up on modern websites, you're about to learn exactly how to build them yourself. Let's get straight into the process. First, we'll need to set up a key tool. Head over to the Plugins section of your WordPress dashboard. Plugins are kind of like apps for your website. They let you add new features and customize things beyond the basics. You'll see an option called Add New. Click on that and you'll open the world of thousands of available plugins. Now in the search bar, type in Add-ons for Elementor. This is a highly popular plugin that extends Elementor's capabilities, giving you far more tools to work with when designing headers and footers. Once you find it, hover over and click Install Now. Wait just a moment. It can take a few seconds for WordPress to download everything and set it up behind the scenes. After installation, click Activate. This step makes the plugin ready to use. Don't worry if it feels like a lot of clicks. WordPress is just making sure you're in control of every new feature added to your site. Once the add-ons for Elementor is active, move over to the Pages section in your dashboard. This is where you'll manage and edit all the pages on your site. Choose the page where you want to add your new header or footer, or you can always create a new one just for practice. Next, click Edit with Elementor. Elementor is a powerful drag-and-drop visual editor that lets you customize every part of your site with just a few clicks and movements. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, you'll notice a panel on the left with lots of different widgets and options. What you want to look for is Elementskit. You might need to scroll a bit or use their search function, but trust me, it's there. Think of Elementskit as your toolbox within Elementor. It packs extra widgets specifically for building things like headers, footers, and other advanced sections. Click on the Sections area in Elementskit, here where the magic happens. You'll see pre-built templates for headers and footers. These are fully customizable sections that you can drag right onto your layout. Take a look through the options. There are tons of designs, so whether you want something minimalistic or bold, you'll probably find a great starting point. Once you've found a header or footer template you like, simply click or drag it onto your page. You can then tweak the colors, fonts, links, and much more to match your brand's identity. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it looking just right. This is a normal part of the creative process. Give yourself permission to experiment, and that's really all there is to it. You've just added a custom header and footer to your WordPress site using Elementor. It might feel like a lot of steps at first, but with a little practice, making professional-looking changes like this will become second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you ran into any issues or have specific questions about customizing your header or footer, let me know in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy-to-follow WordPress tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy building.